welcome back or welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do a review of a product I've been wanting like my whole journey, but I didn't get the chance to get my hands on it, and now I finally got my hands on it, and it's the Revlon paddle brush. Yes guys, so yeah, let's open this. I bought the pink one, y'all. Amazon was having a sale. I think I bought it for $25, I think. But yeah, I finally have the Revlon paddle brush, and it's so big, like it fits my hand and all. Let's see. So from the reviews I watched, they said like this part gets hot, so I went ahead and bought some heat gloves, guys. So I came prepared. I bought these gloves, so yeah. I came prepared, guys. Look at this. I look like Michael Jackson. We're going to go right into the video, guys. I'm not gonna waste my time talking. I will give my thoughts at the end of the video. So for heat protectant, I'm going to use Cream of Nature blow drying blowout cream.
Let me put in my heat protectant. Make sure you put enough, guys.
Also from the reviews I watched, you want to hold the brush like this, move it in a downwards, not like this, like you're combing your hair, but like this, to get better results. Guys, I watched a lot of reviews, and these are the settings. We're going to start with so I got it pretty straight. This is the first section. I'm scared, guys. I never seen my hair this straight before. But this is okay. Like the results so far. God, I'm so scared. So then I'm going in with the Olaplex bonding oil.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
So my hair is referring as we speak. My hair doesn't take long to revert back, but overall, let me braid this hair and come back. So you guys, I'm back. I did a quick and neat hairstyle and I love how my hair turned out. This is my go-to hairstyle, you guys. If you want a tutorial on it, just let me know in the comments down below. So my thoughts on this hairbrush. The con about this brush, I don't know, it produces a lot of heat. I was so nervous in the beginning when brushing through my hair because there was a lot of heat coming out and my hair went from damp to straight pretty quick, and that made me very nervous. I didn't want to get heat damage on my hair. There's a cool setting, there's a low setting, and there's a high setting. Even the low setting produces a lot of heat. The airflow isn't on a high speed, but the heat it produces, I think it's a bit high. I was afraid my hair was going to burn off, but it's new for me. It's something new, so I'm not used to blow drying my hair every wash day, but I like the convenience of this brush. Like, it's a brush and it's easy to do. As I told you, I watch a lot of reviews and they said like this part of the brush gets very hot, and it's true. This part of the brush where your thumb is supposed to be gets very hot, so if you can purchase one of these. But I couldn't feel what's going on with my hair when I had on the gloves, so I switched between bare hands and gloves. So yeah, that's one of the con. Another con, you guys, it doesn't get to the root. So my ends were straight and my roots were puffy, so it was a lot of getting through the roots and holding it taut. So moving on to the pros. I love this brush. The pros of this brush, it gets your hair dry very quickly. Like, if I should compare my regular blow dry routine with my regular blow dryer, I blow dry for at least an hour and my hands get sore, I get tired, but this was pretty quick. I think I was busy for half an hour. Last December I wanted to straighten my hair, but I think I'm going to hold on that. But this brush gives a pretty straight blow dry, so that's why I love this. If you're going to straighten your hair yourself, I would recommend using this brush. Those were my thoughts on this brush, my opinions on this brush. Will I keep using this? Yes, I'm gonna keep using this because this is the bomb dot diggity calm. So yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to leave your thoughts down below if you already have this brush, if you want to get this brush. The link of this brush will be down in the description box. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.